Good morning. Let's see, it is session 1 and it is of 402 Information Technology for class 10 CBSE student, and I am making this video particularly for my own student of my school. So let's see how to order food. It is part of functional English. And a student, do you know we have to learn this functional English in computer science because it is a professional, it is vocational course, and that's why it give you the training how to speak in the public places, how to use the sentences, and what are the different information that you should have in your mind while traveling to a place or speaking among the educated and well uh, literate person people. So let's see, it is about ordering food, and all here we can see in warming up that a food is the main or the basic necessity of life. And whenever we have to eat out in a hotel or in a restaurant, we eat and order food according to our customary habits and individual taste. Suppose you are sitting in a restaurant, and after going through the menu you have to order food items to the waiter. So how you will give this order, how you will make the proper explanation of the food item. See, it is one sentence is given here: I want some soup, or I would like a bowl of sweet corn soup. So the second one is very clear, as it is, you can see the first order is vague and unclear, whereas the second one is very clear. Now let's see the what are the key terms used in meal, means used for meal. So you can see nowadays we have three courses, but in the earlier time it was four. So what are the three different courses, what are the three different types of the food that we people have in one meal? The first one is a starter. So what is a starter? A starter means appetizer, or the first thing that we start taking in. That is, you can see we people used to take in a starter soup or salads or light snacks. So one usually begins with just one or two, or it may be three also, according to the taste and mood. So how to say? It is given, I would like to have a bowl of clear chicken soup as a starter. So the next one is main course, and it is the main food that we have to take. You can see here this consists of the main dishes, which are usually between 3 to 4. Okay, how to order it? You can see, for the main course I would like to order a dish each of baked vegetable, mushroom pasta, vegetable cutlet, and garlic bread. The very last one means after the food we have taken, what we used to take, it is dessert, means the final course or the final items, and it may include sweet dishes or fruit. So let's see how to say, I would like to have an ice cream for dessert. Please bring me the one with strawberry flavor. So this is how we people have three different courses in a meal. So now it is the discussion point, pertinent point. So what is here? We can see the use of article a and the. You know very well that a and an are indefinite article, while the is definite article. Now let's see the exercise. The very first exercise here given, the study the dialogue given below and fill in the blanks using the following information. It is paneer tikka in the starter, main course is dal makhani, malai kofta, onion raita and chapatis. and in dessert it is given rasmalai, and drink is a bottle of mineral water. So let's see the exercise. What we have to say and do here, we have to fill the blanks according to the dialogue given in the previous page. So here better questions: are you ready to place your order, sir? Then what I have to say, customer, how customer will interact. Yes, for blank I would like to have blank, but can you make it make that quick? So what we have to fill here, you can see the first one was starter. So what we have to say, yes, for starter I would like to have a, or I would like to have paneer tikka, but can you make that quick? Then better say, sure sir, but do give me the full order right now. Then what say customer? Okay, says, okay, for main course I would like to order dal makhani, malai kofta, onion raita and chapatis. Then waiter says, how many chapatis, sir? Customer, 2 or 3 will do. Next, waiters ask, what about dessert? So, what should be here? Finally in dessert. What about finally in dessert? Then customer say, I would like to order rasmalai for dessert. Then waiter, right sir, let me repeat the order. 1 paneer tikka, 1 dal makhani, 1 malai kofta, 1 onion raita and 1 plate of rasmalai. Anything else, sir? Then customer say, oh yes, could you get me a bottle of mineral water? Then waiter says, sure sir. Customer, thank you. That will be all. So like this you will have to fill the blanks. I think you all had done, but match the answers and do accordingly. Next one is assessment time. Here we have to fill in the blanks with a, an or the article. You know very well that a and an is used before vowel or consonant. So which one is used before consonant and which one is before vowel? A is used before consonant sound or a consonant letter, and an is used before vowel sound or vowel letter. So vowels are a, e, I, o, u, and so wherever we do not need a, an or the, we have to put a cross here also. So the very first one, let's see. Before I order, would you please get me blank glass of water? So what should be here? A glass of water. I am reading with the answers. Please match your answer. The second one, for here we should have no any article, so put cross here. For a starter, I would like a bowl of tomato soup. So here you have to fill a. The third one, I would like to have a masala dosa and rasam. Next one, please cancel dum aloo. Here we do not have to fill any article, so put here cross. Please cancel dum aloo. I ordered and replace it with a plate of matar paneer instead. Next one, I ordered the chocolate ice cream and not the vanilla flavored one. Here it was definite about ice cream, that's why we put here the. Next one, our specialty is tandoori chicken. Here we should not use any article. Next one, let's try the mushroom pizza here. So it is about particular food, that's why we put here the. And the next one, 8 number, I would like blank kheer for dessert. We can put here cross. There is no use of any article, so I would like kheer for dessert. And see ninth number, where is the washroom in this restaurant? Here we should use the. Thereafter, do you serve the continental food here? What is the menu today? What is on the menu today? We have to fill here the. The next one, I need a paper napkin to wipe my hands. And then, should we sit on the upper floor? The view is good. Then 14th, would you like to order rice along with chapatis? And the last one, what is the specialty of this restaurant? So like this we can fill the blanks. In the next video I will explain you making resolutions, and keep doing. You do the chapters by yourself. You have the knowledge of English, and match the answer then after when I am uploading this video on YouTube, and complete your syllabus. And in syllabus you are going to have this three sessions, 1, 2 or 3, or it may be 4, it may be included. And from computer part I will also give you one of the session. I will give you web application, the basic, that is it include 1 to 8, since there are 8 sessions in computer part. So the next one, let's see. Would you like to order a rice along with chapatis? And the very last one, what is the specialty of this restaurant? So like this we can fill the blanks with a and the. In the next video I am going to make you understand about making resolutions. So up to this time I would like to tell you that please do the things, read the books, and complete your lessons up to 3 or 4 session. I am also going to explain you the same, but before me you can do, because it is lockdown, and you can do it at your home by yourself. And then after you can match the answers and understand the things when I am explaining in the videos. I am making continuous I'm making continue playlist for 10 class and giving you on YouTube.